Hello and namaste. Welcome, guys. I'm very excited to record my very first YouTube video and YouTube channel. This recording is yeah, just about a bit of an introduction about myself, introduction why I'm doing this and what's the reason and aim behind this. So let's get started. My name is Randeep. I'm working dad. I have two little ones, and why I want to teach this is purely because of my own kids. I've been thinking about it. How do I do this? How do I do this? And as most of you will agree with me, kids love being on the internet these days and on their smart devices. So I thought, why don't I start something on YouTube and where my kids and not just my kids, anyone else out there who wants to learn Hindi, that they can actually benefit from it. And this is how this whole thing started. So I'm actually very excited about this. And just a bit of a recap. This is actually my second introduction recording. Initial recording had a bit of a sound issue as well, so I thought I'll re-record this. But with my first recording, I can tell you this: that my kids was kept on watching the same video over and over. So I was like, great, this is actually working. So I'm very excited with this online YouTube, and I think this will actually work. And what's the aim behind it? As I mentioned, it's Hindi for any other kids or anyone else really wants to learn Hindi. And the other aim is for my own kids, and this is how this all started. And I understand there's lots of material already online and on YouTube, and but my aim is to teach Hindi for my own kids in the way I want to teach it, and I don't want to make it too complicated and not for 20 or 30 minutes of recording as well. So recording, I want to have it where short and 10 to 15 minutes of max, and where the kids can enjoy it, so they don't get bored with watching too long videos. So that's the other aim as well. And so my next recording will be about Hindi alphabets. And since I am working full time, so I'll be only recording once a week, which means is the kids they don't have to get they don't have to sit down in front of the computer every day and start watching my recording as well. So that'll be another benefit that they will have. Uh, and just the other exciting news for kids, you will get a bit of homework, and you're probably looking at me and like, what? Yes, there will be a homework, but it will only take you 5 minutes. And mom and dads, please help kids to do their homework, and it's very small, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, yeah, type of thing. So it won't be a huge homework, and it's a great way to get this started. And I cannot wait to see you on my next recording. Great. See you then. Bye bye and namaste. Thank you.